Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that help you look and feel your best, blending science, style, and practicality. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to elevate your oral care routine, the TAO Clean UV Sanitizing Sonic Toothbrush and Cleaning Station in Seaglass Green. This is an electric toothbrush designed to remove plaque, polish surface stains, and keep your brush hygienically clean with UVC sanitization. The TAO Clean Toothbrush delivers 40,000 tiny brush strokes per minute, which is quite impressive compared to standard electric toothbrushes. It offers dual speed settings, super clean for a deep clean and sensitive clean for gentler brushing. The brush also comes with a dentist-recommended 2-minute timer and a 30-second interval reminder, ensuring that each quadrant of your mouth gets equal attention. What sets this apart is the UVC Sanitizing docking station that claims to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria while also drying and charging the toothbrush, all in a compact footprint that won't overwhelm your bathroom counter. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable in the hand, and the package includes a hygienically sealed brush head, power adapter, and a 2-year warranty. Using it in my daily routine was surprisingly straightforward. The dual speed settings allowed me to adjust intensity depending on whether I wanted a thorough morning clean or a gentler evening session. The sonic vibrations felt effective yet comfortable, and the brush's ergonomic design made it easy to maneuver around my teeth and gum line. I especially appreciated the 30-second interval alert, which genuinely made me more conscious of evenly brushing every section of my mouth. The UVC sanitizing station gave me peace of mind, knowing my toothbrush stays clean and protected between uses. One of the strongest points of the TAO Clean Toothbrush is its efficiency. It combines high-frequency cleaning, a gentle yet effective brush head, and hygienic protection into one system. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end compared to typical electric toothbrushes. And while the UVC feature is innovative, it does mean you need to dedicate counter space to the docking station. Some may also prefer having multiple brush heads included, rather than just one. In terms of value for money, the TAO Clean is justified if you're looking for a premium oral care experience. Its combination of sonic cleaning power, ergonomic design, and the UVC sanitizing dock elevates it above standard models. If you're budget conscious, there are alternative sonic toothbrushes that offer similar cleaning performance without the UVC feature, but they won't provide the same level of hygiene protection. The build quality feels sturdy and premium. The toothbrush itself is sleek, with a solid grip, and the sanitizing station is compact but robust. After regular use, the brush maintains performance well, and the materials seem durable enough to last through the 2-year warranty period. I haven't had personal interactions with TAO Clean's customer service, but the brand generally maintains a good reputation for handling inquiries and warranty claims. Overall, the TAO Clean UV Sanitizing Sonic Toothbrush offers a thorough and convenient cleaning experience, combining high-frequency brushing with hygienic protection. It's especially suited for those who prioritize oral hygiene and value the peace of mind that comes from a sanitized toothbrush. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the TAO Clean Toothbrush can be found in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.